How to delete all chat on Instagram. If you want to delete all conversation or chat on Instagram, you can delete it. So I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, now I am on my Android phone, and let me open first Instagram, and let me click on this messenger, and here you can see I have some message here. I have a message here, so I just click on it, and you can see I have conversation with this particular user. So if I want to delete all chat, I can delete one by one. If I You can unsend it. Okay, just click on any chart, just click and hold for 1 second, then this message will become. You can unsend it if you click on more, so you can forward it, save it, reply, or you can unsend it. Okay, so just hold it, and you can see the this unsend option. If you see the unsend message, unsending will be remove the message from everyone, so it will be removed from both sides. Just unsend it, it will be removed. Okay, so this has been removed. If you want to delete all chart, just come back, and I want to delete all chart, just select this, hold it, just click on hold it for 1 second, just click and hold for 1 second, and this option will be come here. Just click on delete, then this chart will be permanently deleted. Just click on delete, it will be deleted. So guys, I hope you